Hey guys, I'm going to be teaching you how to make an executor with TomatosAPI, which is from this server, Team Tomato. I'm going to be putting the link in the description of the server. So the things that you need is, if you scroll down, you'll see statuses. Whether that's it, statuses. You want to click on Tomato API. If it's green, that means it works. It usually takes like 1 or a couple hours for them to update it. You want to scroll all the way down until you see the latest one here. You want to click on it, and it downloads it. And when you download it, you want to go to downloads, and you'll see this, I think you want to unzip it, you click on it, extract all, and you should have this Tomato external module. And I'm going to be including icons and the CZK builder API. It just makes it easier for you to build your executor. So first, I recommend Visual Studio 2019. I'm going to link below that too. And then make sure you have net 4.8. It should be there already. If you don't know how to install it, basically this is what you need to install. You go to your Visual Studio installer when you have it, and I'll click on modify. Install these things. So .NET desktop development. Install game development with Unity, game development with C++, and that should be it. And boom, and just update it. Should take about within 5 minutes depending on your Wi-Fi. Now go into Visual Studio 2019. Click create new project right here. Give it a second to load. It's because I'm on a VPN. And then you want to search up Windows Form like this. I recommend Windows Form app .NET framework is .NET thing. Make sure it has C+. C hashtag, basically C#. Click on next. So click on it, click next. .NET framework, put 0.8, right? Name your executor, for example, Tomato API top. Then click on create right here. Give it a second to load. Now I'm going to be teaching you how to make your executor a little bit good. So I'm going to be giving you the things that you need to install. Give it a second to load. When it's done, you want to click on the tools. If you don't see toolbox and stuff, you go view, and it should be all near the toolbox, which so you got the error list is here, the output list and stuff. Whatever you need, just go on there, go to tools. Or if you don't have it and you're too lazy, just click on window, reset window layout and click yes. So go to tools, Nugget Package Manager, and manage Nugget packages for and solution. Click browse, and the first one, you should see this because it's the most popular. You want to click on it, then enable project like this, and click install. And just pause the video, and when it's done, I'll show. Alright, now it's done. Then what you want to do is search up, what do you call it? Gunner, Guna, should be this one right here. Click on install. Just do that, and it should say I accept. Just accept it if it says that. Alright, it's done now. Now, when you've done that, I recommend pinning your thing. That's what I like doing. Close it if you want. I'm just going to close it. So the first thing, click on your thing here, and then you want to click on what says find border style thing. Click on it. There should be an arrow here. Click on it and click on none. Now you got another thing here. Now the first thing that you want to do is search up Gunner, Gunner to ellipse. Drag that in. You'll see a window pop up like this. Just wait until that closes. Every time you save and restart your Visual Studio, this will pop up. You can just close it. You don't have to even pay or whatever. It's just way more easy if you do that. Now it's done. Now you see here it says Gunner to Eclipse thing. You want to click on it. Target control. New form 1. And type 15 in like that. Then you want to type in shadow form thing right here. Click on it here. Form 1, basically same, just do not do that. That's way too hard. Do 14, like one below. Now you got this nice little round edges. Now you want to type up, and then you click on here. Do whatever color. My recommendation is literally the normal color black. We can do cool details. Now search up panel. It should be the one called Gonna 2 panel. Drag that in. Then place one right key, you know what I mean? Give it nice detail. Drag it on the outside of it like that. So this is your top bar right here. Do like 14, 15, like 15, 14, 15. 14, 15, like that. You should do these little dashy things, and then you got this nice color. Then you want to search up drag. Just Guna to drag controller. If you don't see the Guna thing, reset your project. Or on the top here, you should see it like that, called thing right here. Now you see Guna 2 thing. I'm gonna click on it, and it should be the first one. So that's your top bar. Or to make it easy, go here, the name thing, drag panel. Panel. Okay. Don't want to do that. And now click on here. Then you got this all done, I think. You don't have to make it go transparent, but I like making it transparent. Now you got that done. You're going to control CV, drag your top panel, scale it down like this. Do whatever you want. And it's named Sankaros. Just call it bottom bar. Oh yeah, don't forget you can't do spaces, I think. Bottom bar, unless you do it with dash, something like that. Bottom bar. And then just move it across here. These are where my buttons are going to go, I guess. Or like, do whatever you want basically. And then you clone this again. And drag it up. Now that's your little panel. Now you want to go here and search up rich. And there should be a rich text box. Drag that in here. Make it as nice as you want. And then go on here. Rich text box. I like typing in like something like code, I guess. Typing code box, I guess. Do whatever you want. And then you want to scroll up to window. Do like 11. No, 12, 11, 12. The border should be border style. Just put it to none. If it's, you can still see the colors. Do like 7 or 8, 7, 8. Boom, that's a nice color. All done. Now go here. My recommendation is Seagull UI. You can do like sources and stuff. I've been like do 10 or 9. I'll just do 10 for now. I don't really care. You can do different fonts and stuff and like do stuff. Do like a nice little label, I guess, to your thing. Oh, this is a HTML label. Make sure you do the normal label. You literally call the label like that, yeah. You just want to go here, do the Seagull UI, trust me. It'll make your UI crazy good. Do black or this, whatever, I like them bold. Do like 14, control text, do white, I guess. Oh, why not? X. Type in, I don't know, do whatever you want, whatever you want your executor to be named. For me, I'm going to do Tomato Executor. Boom. Nice, there you go. You put it on the top there. And then what you want to do is get a button. It should be Guna button, Guna 2 button, I think, right here. First on, obviously. 245, 45. Yeah, there you go. Go down here where it says label, it says transparent background, yep. Right here, the color sign thingy, type in transparent, so spell it right here. Now, there should be like a little pack in the thing that I gave you. So what you want to do is to have that downloaded, click on the three dots here, where it says image on the thing, on the button, and click on import, and then go to it. It might be a little bit different for me, but it should be thing Dove coins. Like that, and then you want to click on close button. Image size do like 38, I guess. 38? Oh crap, 38, my bad. Not creating color system. Maybe 34 or 35. Maybe 35. Boom, 35's nice, I guess. Now drag it like that, next to it, another one. And there should be a thing called minimize. There's no point doing maximize, but it's always broken. Minimize. Boom. And what you want to do is go in here, browse, control, to do control A, and then deselect close, and minimize because we imported it. There you go, now we got all of that. Now what you want to do is go to references, right click on references, add reference, and then go to browse, go to downloads, Tomato external module, click on it, double click, TomatosAPI.dll, add it, and there should be a thing called cvkbuilder.dll on your thing, the side of thing. And then enable both of these unless they're enabled already. Click on OK. Now they're added. Now you want to double click on your X button and type in application.exit, whatever. Do this if you want, but I think it gives you errors. I'm too lazy to think. Now you want to go on top of here. I've been using ZK builder thingy. I'm using system. I just think this makes everything work better if you're gonna use AI or crap. You wanna make anything like that. If you're gonna do like timers, I think System Dynamics does that. And then doing using Tomato API. Boom. Boom. Now I think the last one is using newsoft.json. Like that. And that should be done. And now type in CK builder like that. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention. Don't do the grey one, do the yellow one with the yellow icon. Then do a dot. Then find minimize that. Then do the little thingies, then type in this inside of it. Boom. Control S. Done that. Now you got your own little thingy, what do you call it? Executor thing. You type in whatever you want. Oh, I forgot sync. That's okay, we can fix that. Got minimize. Might lag at first, but yeah. New exit button. What we could do is make it animated. You know what I mean? Make it look nice. Go on here, one of those text, white. And then could scale it up to like 12 or 14. I'll do 12. Worse. Now you want to clone your button right here. Install this as much as you want. Yeah. I didn't import properly, great. So you want to just import it again. If they can even find it. There it is. Closed. Easy wallet globally. The hell's minimize? Ah, there. Okay. Then you want to do inject right there. Inject. Then maybe scale down those, I guess, do 32 like that. Yeah, that's a nice thing. And then the font, Seagull 9, let's do Seagull 12. Down here, text, typing in like attach, because it looks like an attach button to me. Do that, scale it out. Make it look better. Okay, that's not big enough. Just make it as best as you want. I don't really care. There you go, attach. Control CV, put it on the right, I guess, for your thingy. So it's neat for now. Do your execute button. Then you want to find your execute button. If you can even blim and find it, execute. And then type in execute. Execute. And then do it like that. You could do it to the left or right. I don't really care what you do. Your executor. Guess that's fine. And then what you want to do, this, type in API dot, it should be execute. The basically the same thing. And then thingy, type in your thingy, it should be code box. There you go. Dot text. Boom. This is what you want to type in. Control S, we execute button. And then do API dot, where is it? Inject. Boom. Control S. Done, I guess. Done now. Then the next thing that is important for this thing to work, go on your tomato thing module, click on bin, and click on the copy button, or right click and copy. There should be a little icon here, the open folder. Go to bin, debug, should be right here. Right click and paste. Boom. Now Control S, then Control F5. It builds and opens it like that. Then open Roblox, just give it a test. Alright, I'm just pause it so we can go to the thing because it's going to take a while. Alright, once you're in the game, click F9. Some games to see what that's about. Then grab your executor, click on attach. Tomato thingy. Alright, let's see the error. Boom, boom, boom. Could be about this, so you could fix this. Go to here again. Bin, debug, paste, replace. Control S, Control F5, just test if it doesn't work. I can try fixing it real quickly. Shouldn't take long. Wait, I can't even see what I'm reading. It's like really tiny this is. Continue. Oh, my bad. So what you want to do is go to form 1. Wait, I'm gonna pause it because I need to look at the code. So blooming retarded. I think I'm looking at it. Oh my god, guys, my bad. I forgot. You have to change the version. So you want to go to debug. No, oh crap, build. No, debug. Debug properties right here. Click on build. Then any CPU, turn it to x64. Control S. Boom. Control F5. Roblox. It should work now. Give it a minute. Don't spam click it. It's doing its thing. Boom, 9. See, it's all loaded. Type in your print in, I don't know, like bowls, I don't know. And then you want to do that. See, it works. So that's how you create a working executor in 2026. So have fun.